Today we are going to understand voltage and resistance in depth, so let's get started. Voltage is a potential difference that helps current to flow in this plug and helps to glow these bulbs. Easy, right? Now let's understand about potential difference. Potential difference, also known as voltage, is a measure of energy. It is the amount of energy needed to move a unit of charge from one point to another point in a circuit. It is measured in volts. For example, voltage from a power source, such as a cell, is what pushes electrons to move through a circuit. The movement of charges causes a lamp to light up. Now to measure potential difference you needed a voltmeter. For example, if you wanted to measure the potential difference in a cell, then you can do it by connecting the leads of the voltmeter to each side of the cell or battery. The higher the reading in a voltmeter, the higher the potential difference. This can lead to more current flowing through a circuit if the resistance remains constant. Now, what stops or slows down the current in a circuit? This is where resistance comes in. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current. It is measured in units called ohms, ohm. The amount of current in a circuit is affected by the resistance in it. Can you predict how the graph would look after increasing the resistance in a circuit, assuming that all factors remain the same? Check how the current flowing in a circuit decreases as the resistance increases. See how after adding more components, such as lamps, to a series circuit increases the resistance, resulting in the lamps not lighting up as brightly. Did you also know that all electric components have resistance? Even wires have resistance. It may be small, but it can still lead to energy loss in the form of heat. Now, let's learn how to calculate resistance in a circuit. For this we will be using Ohm's law. Suppose the current flowing in a circuit is 2A and the potential difference across the lamp is 12V. What is the resistance of the lamp? Use this formula to calculate where resistance equals to voltage divided by current. So 12 volts divided by 2 ampere current will gives you 6 ohms of resistance. Knowing the basics of voltage and resistance helps us to use and repair electronic devices correctly. Hopefully, this video has given you a clear understanding of voltage and resistance. Don't forget their important role in the world of electronics. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will add more videos in this series soon.